know when you use the word belief, anybody at all, there is a effing doubt. It is a doubt.
So how
and
you
you
get
need
that?
to know
How
that.
you get that?
Oh, me get what? Oh, me get what?
Say a white man make we can there.
The weir.
Yes, sir, today.
Remember, I know. Me don't want to go back with that argument.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lost Funny channel, where we react to funny videos since I'm not funny. Today we gotta have some Johnny videos, or some videos of Johnny, little Johnny. He's always in videos with other creators and storytellers like Bada Cat and some other people, but Johnny in their own right funny too, you know. Most of Johnny's stories them don't make sense, and that's what makes it funny. But Johnny is a man way in our own little zone, so we're gonna just touch upon Johnny's. So we're just gonna check out some video of Johnny. Watch, laugh, and enjoy. Matter of fact, yo, just like the video from now. Yeah, man.
Good boy, me there fan the fire, you know, me a beg you know. If you know attack something, you go one side, because me not go fan no blood cleat fire, you know. And you're there with the woolly patch at, you know, if me use all the black part and give you one lick, you know. Me I make sure me tell you know, because you know, go have me out here work out, and you know, do nothing, you know, rude boy. Me make sure me tell you know, from what you me a want your yard, you know. Alright. So anyway, anything you know attack, you know, just go one side, because me I'll use me left and just give it to you. Because me not fan of fire, you go when you go buy one bag of wet coal, you know, like a test, you know, test man, you know. Good boy, me I go stop fan. Right. You know how much time I put up the fire? I take this rascal joke, you know, man. Why go you again, man? Me say if you don't make me no eat no food here today, you run, you know. Me make sure me tell you that, you know.
Alright. That's America.
First video me see with Johnny way, you hardly see a word. Johnny does stop and I listen, and I say, what to the idiot here? Like I said, Johnny chatting always out the goddamn fire. Johnny, chill out, man. You better blow out the fire.
If you choose to do scamming, me no problem with that. You do what you have to do. But remember, at the end of the day, it can cost you and your family on your own life.
Wait then. Who said Johnny not say nothing with chat nothing with sense? That's one of the most sensible statement I've heard all year. You get involved in something illegal, just know there's consequences, or it come with consequences. And one of those consequences, you might lose your 3 points, or somebody feel lose your 3 points. So get a 9 to 5, or hustle by yourself.
Johnny like them kind of woman here, the simple woman. Them. Johnny like the complicated woman them. The woman me I call him and I beg him money and then sitting there.
Yeah.
And Johnny having coffee feed.
Yeah, because I'm like the woman with
Then
money.
go him figure then goat them. Figure then chicken them.
Like the woman with money so him can check them.
Yes.
Yeah, when him broke.
It's not about really
You
that.
know why when them broke them check him.
No, sir.
Him rather check them.
Yeah man, Johnny not the
Even if
bad
me
guy.
not have to check them, me good because I like hear when some females say.
Yeah, man, I got you, babe.
Them not depend on a man. And then want a man come think say, them a come take on a little asset where them grandparents they left and gone. No, lot of man that's what them doing now. So me like those type of female.
Yes,
we
sir.
tell the man them say, listen now, me no want a man to come mind me. And me not mind a man. The relationship can go on, but both of us.
Because some of the woman them you know, the only asset they have between them like
Hello, sir.
They don't have no other type of asset because they're not independent. So the only asset that they claim as asset. Them said this is my asset.
But this said Johnny mean, you know. Johnny don't like spending money per woman. It seemed that way, but then again, he ain't lying. If he like independent women, that's what he like. You understand? So them can take care of for them bills, for them responsibilities, take care of themselves, and him take care of fame bills, his responsibilities, and himself. And then when they meet Naimiga when a time for have sex, I don't know. I say boss want it, I say boss get it. But for real, some women, the only asset they have is what between their legs. And guess what, ladies? That ain't an asset. That's a liability. But you can use it as an asset.
Me don't come here for that.
Me say, ladies.
Yo, don't man for this, yo.
Yeah, my friend, I'm a country boy. Come here, man.
Me don't never know when no Batman. Some Batman from Portland. I come strike from Stateville. Me never know no Batman go suck them girl and them woman.
Johnny a bad boy, man. Johnny I tell people got SYM. Watch ya. Johnny up on the funny man thing, the fish man thing. You can put food in a man mouth. You're rude. Run whip. Dirty boy.
So you believe say a white man make we can there, so you did see what
In
them
other
do.
words, when
You did see what them
me
do.
say, when it comes to certain things.
Did you see what them do?
Oh, me answer, you know. When it comes to certain things, it's not about belief. Because the word belief,
You know.
oh, when you use the word belief, anybody at all, there is a effing doubt. It is a doubt.
So how
and
you
need
get that?
to know
How
that.
you get that?
Oh, me get what? Oh, me get what?
Say a white man make we can there.
The way.
Yes, sir, today.
Remember, you know, me don't want to go back over that argument.
Yeah, you still never hindsight. That's why it a continue. Cause every argument we go come back to it.
Yeah, you come back with
notice? Come back to that argument.
Listen, if you want somebody to give you the rings, if you want somebody to give you a lean answer, ask Johnny a question. The man can never answer a question with a straight answer. Never. But to answer your question, Brother Cat, history told us that we are here because of the white man. But we can't blame the situation, whatever it is, good or bad, on the white man. It's been slavery abolished from Wacky kill Philip. Well, before Wacky kill Philip. So, as me I say, build your own, work on yourself, work on your wealth, so the future generation from your offspring can benefit from your work. You see me I say, work and don't waste it. But anyways, Johnny, Brother Cat, Johnny and some other people were funny too. Me like Johnny. He's a man of many words, but sometimes a few. You see me I say? So if you don't like the video and don't want more Johnny videos, let me know in the comment section. Like up the video, leave a comment below, subscribe, share, Bluetooth, YouTube. Thanks for watching.